To download your app, you're on your main dashboard for MAXTECH. You're going to click Mobile Download App. So there's two apps. One is your CRM. This is the one that's going to be most important, especially accepting your leads from mariemax.com. So you're going to either download, these are specific to you. So you can just text it to you, or you could just copy and email it to you. There is an agent tag specific to you, so do not go to the Apple Store or get it on the Androids. You need it from this link. So you can copy and email it, text it to you. It should go down there to your text. Download that, and then you're going to go into your settings to make sure you have push notifications and text alerts on so you don't miss any leads. So make sure you go in, download your app, and you should be good to go. Of course, don't forget this awesome open house app, which is also equally amazing for those of you who do open houses. Same thing. Do not download it from the App Store. It needs to be linked to you. So you're going to email it or text it to you to be able to download that and set up your notification alerts. Hope that helps. Thanks, guys.